Hello, guys. Good day, and welcome to another monthly catch up, season 3, section 32nd. So, this month I have been working, I did not remember to log. Sorry, guys. So, I made this particular bag. You guys would have seen this bag from our trade fair, our chef. It's one of our new design for 2026. No, 2025, but we still have it this year. So we make this particular bag this month, then we make some cap too. This is set of the cap. I have packaged it. I'll be sending this tomorrow. This is set of 3. I will try and see if I can just put the picture inside this vlog so that you guys will see. Also, I'm making a duffle bag. This duffle bag is from last year. It's a abandoned project, so I decided to start it back. Hopefully I should be able to finish in a week's time. And it's 2. We also have the second one there, but I don't know, this one will be it might be a second week after I finish this particular one. So that's just the update so far. The shop is still packed. Uh we're trying to have a wardrobe, should I say wardrobe, or a tools box for our tools. As you can see, it's going to have 6 layers. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to have 6 layers where we'll be storing all our tools, and I think it's going to be somewhere there because that's the measurements we use to produce this. So that's the update for now. I actually went shopping at the market, but I did not vlog, not show you what I bought. But as you can see, those fabrics there, those are part of what I got from the market, and even some. Okay, I think the one I used in making this particular bag to this brown is also one of the fabric I got from the market. You see, it's not the same thing as this one. It's a little bit different from the one I have previously. I have this one, but this one, why I don't use it for this particular bag is after we finish using it, if there's any edge, it tends to show the red lining underneath, beneath it. So that's why I decided not to use it for this particular bag. But we still have more of this that we need to finish up before we start using this particular one. So I will try my best to finish up this duffel bag and show you more of it so you learn. Today it's already late. I know we are fasting. I think I'll be going home, but maybe tomorrow or within the week, if I continue this, I will explain what it is you are seeing here for this duffel bag and the process of finishing it. So you guys should stay tuned and learn. Thank you, and I'll see you at the continuation. So guys, I just come back to show you I finished packaging this. Actually, when I showed you yesterday, I did not fix the long strap because this bag is with 2 handles, the long strap and the one you saw on the body. So I fixed the long strap to it, and everything is packaged now, ready to be sent to the owner, the bag and this particular cap. I don't know if I can use this for the thumbnails. So guys, that's just the updates. Hi, hello guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch-up. So a few days ago I was making the duffel bag, and I promised you guys I'm going to show you the process of making. Well, I won't say I lied, but I forgot. I just finished the bag today, but I didn't remember. I just remembered I was supposed to film the video now, but I said the bag is 2, so that second one there, I'm going to make it very soon, and I will try my best to include this in this video and show you the process. So the one I just make is up there, you can see. I'll bring it down now, but right now I'm trying to cut some thank you card. I was supposed to use the machine to cut this, but I don't know, I brought it to the workshop, and for me to go out now I can't go out, so I decided to use scissors to cut them. There are actually many. I think they are about 150 card, so I've cut few days ago, and this is the rest. I sit down here now to cut it. So guys, that's the bag there. It's actually large. I will not be bringing it down now to show you, but I will show you later, or maybe once I'm done with that, or maybe if I do it. because I want to finish this as soon as possible so I can leave to go home. We are still fasting, and it's almost time for us to break our fast. And I think after fasting few days, you guys will be watching this particular video, and by then we'll be done with fasting. So that's the bag. Let me proceed with what I'm cutting, and I'll see you guys in the continuation. Thank you for being here, and sorry for not showing you how I make that, but I'm going to explain it and the illustration. See you at the continuation. Hello guys, welcome to the monthly continuation catch up. Welcome to the catch up of the month. What am I even saying? Welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch up. Yes. So guys, I said I'm going to show you the outcome of this particular duffel bag when I'm making it. I also forgot to start filming immediately I started, but don't forget that I said this is from last year. It's a abandoned project which I did not finish, and this is what I've done so far. So all the gum has been done since last year, and even all this back. So what I did is I fixed the hand. As you can see, the handle it's fixed from the bottom here up to this side. But before we fix it, I actually sew it together here. As you can see, I didn't cover this side, sew it together here. So I fixed the back feet. As you can see, 2 on each side, 2 here, 2 on that side, and 1 at the middle. Then this back pocket I fixed it here, and this back pockets serve as trolley pockets, trolley holder as well, where if you carry a bag you can just put this on top and it will go through here and you draw the hand. So and this style is a little bit different, not a little bit different entirely to the first one we make, which is that particular one up there. But once I finish assembling this, now I'll bring that down and show you the comparison of the both side by side. So this one now I just finished fixing the inside, that gusset to it. As you can see, that's the gusset there. I'm about to fix the other parts which I am showing you earlier. So this one, you see, I will start fishing it from the middle and sew it round. So this particular side is for your shoe or any other thing you want to put there. As you can see, it's just a straightforward gusset. So the D-ring is going to be here for a longer strap if you want to carry it as a shoulder duffel bag. And this side, it's just like the video you used to watch on this channel, the kind of gusset we use for our handbag. That's what we use for this particular one. And the zip, for me to fix this zip for it to be this way, this cover has to be a little bit extended than where we cut, beyond where we cut. So which means if for instance from here to here is 5, from here to here is 8, when you want to do this from here to here is going to be 8.5, from here to here is going to be 5.5, so that once you shape it, it's going to extend a little bit. So once you fix your zip, it's going to look something this way. And this is the gusset, this is the inside pocket. Everything was taped neatly, as you guys can see, taped neatly. Let me see if I can open this side as well, because I taped the both side. As you can see, this side too is taped, everything is neat. So that's just it for you guys. So right now I'm going to continue with the assembling of this particular bag. Once I finish, I'll come back to show you and talk more and end the video there. And this week we did some stuff. We also make a lot of cap. Some are inside there, but it's left with weaving for me to finish, then call the clients to send it to them, or maybe to come to the workshop and come collect it. But there are some updates at the workshop as well, some rearrangements, but I'm going to show you that later on. So let me continue with this and we'll talk later. As you can see, we have this here now and it used to be there, and this is one of the updates as well. So let me continue, see you at the continuation. So welcome back guys. I told you earlier that we make some cap for this week. Some we have sent without showing them here, and I don't know if I can show the picture, but if I remember during editing, as you guys can see, we make tons. Yeah, we still have few to make, but that you're going to see in next month's catch up. So we are done with the bag. This one, as you can see, I'm done with it, and this is the comparison side by side. This is it, and I think I'm going to use this as the thumbnail. So this is the two bag side by side. It's almost the same specification, because this too, you can carry this with your trolley, but this, the way we design it, it's something you can adjust. You can also fix your hook here if you want to carry it with a long strap, but this one only have this hook up here. And I think, okay, this one we use size 7 zip, while this one is size 5 zip, size 5, size 7. So this one is combination of size 7 and size 5, because here is size 5, the other side as well is also size 5. So this is the inside of this particular one. I don't know if you can see it clearly. So it's just a simple but amazing bag. So that's it. This also have a back fit here, 1 5, 2 there, 2 at the top, 1 at the middle, and you know the gusset, it's round at the bottom, unlike this one that everything, the top, the bottom, the side is complete together. So it's just the gusset that is different. This one, the bottom is different, but the top, the side, the gusset are all together. As you can see, it is joined together at the middle here for this particular one. So we'll place this one on top, and that's why I say this design, it's something of the bag we've been making on this channel. So by looking at it this way, you can replicate this and make your own. Even you can decide to use leather before you try this with maybe fabric or any other thing, because you know this fabric are way expensive. So it's better for you to try with leather or any other thing you can lay your hands on. I don't advise you for the first time you're trying this, if you're not good, for you to make it with this fabric. But with that being said, that's just what we've done this month. So we have a new shelf. This new shelf, it's all our tools, some of our documents, the needle, okay, just tools, documents, needle, and some stuff I can't even remember. Okay, some of our package bag as well are inside, and some of our accessory we use too are also inside. So that's it, and that's the reason why we have this here. But later on, this is going to go outside, but you know we are in the dry season, so there's a little bit dust. That's why we still have this inside. But by the time work starts fully, this is going to go out there somewhere there, and one of the machines is also outside there, the one we use for cap, and another one is also coming that is going to stay within that side. So guys, that's just the update so far. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I didn't disturb you much with too much of talking, but you know I'm used to it, and some of you enjoying it. For those of you who don't enjoy it, just have patience. We also have video that I'm not going to talk much for you guys, just to do the illustration and for you to learn. So thank you for being here. I will see you in next month's catch up. Bye for now.